initial days, we faced certain challenges due to labor issues, the packing material which we just keep for the just in time, which was earlier not made essential services, but on representation, the packing material was also brought into essential services, and we were lucky to get the our value chain for running. What we have observed, Kabir, in this new trends observed during COVID in the consumer behavior and the channel shift, what we have seen, the demand for immunity products is getting a thing coming up in a big way, and riding the bandwagon, we also crashed our new product development cycle from about 3 to 4 months to just about 5 weeks, and we were able to launch this Haldi milk within 1 month. And also there are 4 to 5 weeks and a lot of new products of the immunity which are in the pipeline. One more trend what we saw is the modern retail sales, which was a big thing in our business due to social distancing and closure of stores in the mall and the standalone stores of Reliance Retail, More, Future, and decline in footfall due to social distancing. We found that e-commerce is taking a thing. It has come as a black swan even for the e-commerce industry, which is gaining footfalls, foot clicks in our company. Due to fear of contagion, the fear of consumer towards the package, open goods, loose goods, the packaged product like paneer and packaged sweets are gaining a momentum. And we are also strengthening our sweet portfolio. We already have a launch rasgullas, gulab jamuns, frozen rasmalais for the people, and there are a lot of other products in the pipeline. One more thing what we saw is the small is big. As a lot of people mentioned that there are a lot of cuts, salary cuts, and the people take home salaries are reduced. The value for money products is increasing, and we already have a lot of products in the range of 10 to 20 rupees. And we have recently launched even a cone, which used to be 40, 50 rupees. We have launched an ice cream cone in the range of 10 rupees, at the rate of 10 rupees. We see what we see industry as a bleak future for the large volume catering, both up in the sky and also on the grounds, because of a lot of marriages and all those things not happening and gatherings not being there. But more trend what we have seen and which have helped and what have helped all the industries is moving from the traditional marketing to digital marketing. In the last 3 months, we were able to bring back digital marketing. We were able to bring back the Indian Ocean back on our digital route. We were able to bring back the Jalebi Kid of 90s Dhara back in action. And what we feel also more is the food safety will be concerned, and brands, the packaged goods and the brands will carry a premium.